ya January buli muntu aveyo alonde mwena mulonde maze bagambira tebasobola kutugana kugenda mu box kulonda era buli agenda okulonda funa maski yo gitereke kubanga ajja kuleterwa ekwaso iwe tone maski mufune maski enegenda kubera mission buli chaliwo buli gwomanyi making sure alonda. That is our last bullet. But tugenda kozesa mundu, tugenda kozesa kalulu, ate Museveni tugenda mujako wallahi ya Mungu. Tugenda kumujako. So, mbade nchigamba abana bonna all over the country. Era njagala kubasaba. Ye Museveni kati alowooza mba succeed nze tebagenzeeyo. Bye mbagamba, I'm only repeating. You already know. You already know. Never nandi badenga siyogede namwe. Muchimanyi nzize jasi. Abokuwa ninyenda mundereo. Mumanya nti nchaliyo ate nchali steady. Nibabasa kuteraza tia gasi. Nibabasa kutombi home. Konkani tuza kuvayo nga tubaunsinga no kubaunsinga bokuti. Hey. So, Dadade kujawano balabe face to face bagambe nchaliwo ate nchali steady ate nyinalo ate sigenda kutoa namwe mubereo. Let everyone play their part. On the 14th of January timuza kureba amazina ganje ga Bobi Wine ga Musinguzi ga Mutabazi ga Mujuni nimuza kureba Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert nakabonero kachi bolaba umbrella gotikinga bolaba umbrella atero malo kutikinga tovao mugumeo mulinda karuru kitu jagalo kubategeza nti ekyo tugenda kikola all over the country. Museveni atya tebawatiisa na zino mundu zaffe gona maje gaffe ate already atya okutta abantu kubanga bonna beyakozeseza okutta abantu kati bali indicted in the International Criminal Court. So batabatinisa ate nabo abapoliisi bemulaba nebagambe abasinga batuwagira mulaba security nene ngoberera buli wengenda kubanga already ndi president. Hey. So kakati just need a permission yamwe on the 14th of January ekyo tushimale sigenda kwogera ku bizibu byonna bye mwina kubanga budde tebuliwo ate namwe mbimanyi ate it is not just means okujja okubulira abantu berukojera ebizibu bye balina. We have leaders here that you vote that must be accountable to you. Ze already Bagambi ngenda kubera servant leader, not a boss. Ngabantu chebagamba chingenda nacho, because that is what we must do. Mwebale mnonga kumpuliriza nsanyusenyo kutoka ko wano munzikirize kati tugenda Mitoma manyi nti bagendayo ne batisatisa abantu bagalawo oluguudo toyita wano toyita wali, but I know that you already know. I want to salute the Madam Deputy President in charge of Western Uganda, the Honorable John Mujisha, and the team from Mbarara. I also want to salute our executive in Rukunjiri here, our chairman, Mr. Musimire Francis. Thank you very much. Ogoni chairman witu omuli Rukunjiri. I want to salute my brother, the youth coordinator, Ogoneba Mweta Tibaga. Tibaga Namanya. I want to salute Everett Akamanya, our district registrar. Akamanya, oe. I also want to salute Davis Namanya. Davis Namanya is our vice chairperson. I want to salute Mbabazi Arthur, our chief funder, and also Soredi, Franca, Kawesi, Muganda, and Dennis. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters. Mtuichirize tuze Mitoma tubagambire ebigambo ebyo. I say we are fighting for Bandunena, Abarukunjiri, we are fighting for freedom. Oh, Machiriano, Poti, Bundi Bujo, we are fighting for freedom. Pushko agende, we are fighting for Mevare Mununga, Mevare.
Yes, that is the President, His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, after speaking to the people of Rukunjiri. Yes, I remember those who have been watching how we have been blocked from accessing all roads, and we are pushed to go to far deep in the villages, and people have been blocked. Even us as a team have been blocked from accessing any road close to town. So the President continued with the journey, and he didn't bother so much with the police, because they always feel like yes, the network, I think, is not good. It's not so good, but we shall try our level best to bring you everything as a. Yes, I think the network is not so stable here, but we shall try still to bring you everything on your screen. The network is not so good, but we shall try. Yes, that is the President just from speaking to the people of Rukunjiri. And now he heads to Mitoma, and let's see how we are from the Larry. The President has just finished talking to the people of Rukunjiri after police and others, a mandate of all Ugandans.
DPCN omukulu amanyikibwa nga Kintu n'amugamba kanzikirize mpite oyagala naye tetuba tumaliriza mukama wange nsaba onzikirize mpiteko mu kibuga nkubire ku bantu Kyagulanyi akkirizibwa oyita mu kibuga nga we baateeka oba ono Rukunjiri Kintu akikutte mu DPC mwana weeka mwana wa Nambe mwana wa Kintu yateesezza ne Kyagulanyi n'amugamba genda bw'onooba ovaayo ojjayitako mu kibuga oyingire ku bantu katulabe baganda bantu omusajja Kintu ayimirira ku mazima Kintu nno Abamuganda original ddala be bali the first Muganda was called who? Abo bonna abantu bangi balemesejja okuyingira eno.
Yes, we are proceeding to Mitoma.
People power, our power, people power, Rukungiri oye, Kyagulanyi oye, Sentamu oye. We are removing a dictator. We are doing what? People power. We are not here to fight with the police. We are on.
Something unique about this place.
All the shops are closed. People are the way everything is closed.
Check that what is going on.
That is the love of the people of Rukungiri that they are showing His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu amidst all the intimidation, amidst all the threats. The situation here is a little bit disturbing after the whole city, the whole of Rukungiri was closed. There's too much love. That is Rukungiri for you who are watching. Yeah, they have managed to block the people, thinking that they have support, but the people are proving them wrong. The people are proving the dictator wrong. The people of Rukungiri, I'm telling you, the people of Rukungiri are proving wrong the dictator. Yeah, the people of Rukungiri are so assertive. They have responded to the message of freedom, regardless of all forms of intimidation and kind of torture imposed on them after being told to close all their shops for now a day, minus them working. They have still responded to the dictator. They have responded to the dictator, and they have told him, my friend, you are just joking. We shall show love to the 10th President, His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, also known as Bobi Wine. This is Rukungiri.